from your baby. This is what my motto is. Use. I don't care for anything else. Fresh breath, clean teeth, a clean tongue. Yeah, like, yeah.
You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I'm taking over it, fountain without any doubt, I'm a me happy I don't, and go feed the cup.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Yes, I know this is different. Today's video, as you can see, is more hygiene related. I've gotten so much requests to do like videos like this like for a while now, and I just never get around to doing it. So as you guys know, I'm back over here doing different content and stuff, and you can see from the title, it's a hygiene haul that we're gonna do today. It's a whole hygiene haul slash routine, my personal hygiene haul slash routine. So there's a couple stuff that I need to get. I have some full-size stuff already, so I won't need to like re-up on those, but like for other stuff, that's where we're gonna go on the road and get now. Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, so that's gonna be kind of like vlog style for that portion, and then I can collectively like show you guys everything that I personally use to maintain like proper hygiene for myself on a daily basis. So this is vlog style, and you guys don't have a whole vlog channel, but this is specifically hygiene related. And yeah, so I just wanted to start off this video. So now let's head to the store. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm in here now with my little baskets, and we're gonna get a few stuff. As I said, not like a lot. We're on the right aisle. Yeah, so I just go with Cool Mint. I get the biggest bottle so I can serve for a long time. So I'm gonna put that in here. Okay, so I always get recommendations for this body wash, so I'm gonna try. So we're getting one of that. I've become obsessed with these spray deodorants. Like, it really lasting. It says 48 hours, it really lasts. It really lasts. I'm gonna get some hand soap because that's necessary. I'm gonna get Playtex. I'm gonna get 2 packs. Ooh, 2 packs of that. So these are what I've been wanting, because I use these a lot with my witch hazel. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. I'll get the extra one just in case. I'll get some cotton buds. I'm just gonna go blindly choose something. Oh my gosh. I think that one I got have a. You think I forgot with that one there?
Yeah, I think.
Alright, I'm gonna go with that one there. Thank you so much. Alright, so I think I get everything, but I need no more. Anything else I already have. So yeah, let's go. So I'm back at home, and I literally came home with like 2 bags. 2 of these bags. The other one is ripped because these bags are not that strong that they give to us, and I unfortunately forgot to bring my shopping bags. But yeah, so as mentioned, I'm doing like I give you guys a little bit of a shopping process of this, and now I'm just gonna do the haul for you guys to let you see what I got and some of what I already have. Remember, I told you I didn't need to shop for everything. Like the toothpaste, I didn't need to shop for that. See, I have one that I'm using already, and I have an unopened box of it, so I really don't need that. I even have like face soaps and stuff that I haven't opened as yet, so I'm really good on that. So I use the Sensodyne brand. I use the Sensodyne brand for my toothpaste because I have sensitive teeth. I've always, you know, follow up with my dentist visits and stuff. But the thing is, my teeth became more sensitive after I whitened them. So years ago, I got a at-home teeth whitening kit, and that's kind of what to like make my teeth become more sensitive and stuff. And you know over time going to the dentist and stuff, they recommended me to use Sensodyne, and let me tell you, This helps so much. And next thing that I really love to use is a Sensodyne mouthwash, but I have not been able to find that for months. I am so close to going ahead and start ordering it online because I cannot find it anywhere in stores here anymore. Top toothpaste, I don't use any other toothpaste at the moment, that's it. Alright, so I didn't have to buy any toothbrush because I'm currently using one, which I'm gonna stop using that soon. You know, you need to change your toothbrush. You know, I'd say every month to 3 months. I have another one here, so I didn't need to buy another one just yet. So yeah. Also have a brand new rag here. It was time to change my rag. So these are the rags that I use to shower, guys. This is what I use to shower. Listen, you see, from me a girl, from me a little girl, from me a baby, this is what this is the type of rag my mother always use. I don't care for anything else. I don't use loofahs, you know. I recommend you washing it and stuff, you know, so that it don't hold like any bacteria. Loofahs, I don't really use those because, you know, they hold bacteria too, but I feel like they're gonna hold more bacteria. I don't use them. I just never practice to use them. This is my OG. This is a real deal. This scrub down my body good. This is what I use, okay? So this is a brand new one, okay? So I already had that. This is what I buy them, so I buy them in a bulk. So that's why I never need to buy them today when we go to the store. Anyway, so as you guys saw, I also got a Listerine mouthwash. So as you know, I can get the Sensodyne one. So this is what I just bring myself to getting, and I just stick with Cool Mint because this is what they use when I go to the dentist. Whenever they're finished with cleaning my teeth, they give me a cup of this, and I say, you know what? If the dentist is using it, then I'ma use it. So this is all I have left from my previous bottles. So I have this to re-up once I'm all out, because honey, you need to protect your teeth. Fresh breath, clean teeth, a clean tongue. Yeah, like, yeah. As you guys saw, I got one more of this, the Dove Original Moisturizing Deodorant. And this is a 48-hour one, and I can tell you, I've been using this and I've been loving it, okay? I'm never going back to the other deodorants, never. This fluid, yeah. Also got this hand soap here because I was all out of the previous one. Well, yeah, see, I'm all out. So this is ultra compact, you know, it's a pretty inexpensive brand. Let's see. I want to smell. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Yeah, so that's what I got. I got some cotton buds. I think I have some left, but I needed more. So yeah, especially because I have a little bit of like 2 pimples coming out here, and I want to try out this product that I got on them. So I don't think that's not for this video though, because you see, I've been getting so many questions about my skin, and my skin is really doing, like, I'm just discovered a new skin routine, and I'm going to share it with you guys soon. It's not going to be in today's video, but I've been getting so many questions. For all who follow me on my vlog channel, you know the line that I'm exploring so far, and it's almost 1 month that I've been using it, and I've been so consistent. Me no miss no day. So I feel like I'll incorporate that. Well, I am going to incorporate the product I'm talking into that skin routine. So you guys need to stay tuned for that. I was supposed to get a re-up. So Nair, I use this. This is what I use on my body to like remove the hairs on my body. Nair. Okay. And this is a softening baby oil one. Yeah. I got this Dove. Can you see it? You guys can see it. This is Dove Reviving 0% sulfates pomegranate and hibiscus tea. Energizes and revives skin natural moisturizers, and this is a shower gel. So this is what I got. This is what I got. Yeah, so I'm actually pumped. It smells so good. Got that, and then I got these cotton wool pads. These are so essential for me with my daily skin routine, especially for when I am using my witch hazel. I prefer using this because it's flat and it has more coverage to it. So I bought 2 of these. So yeah, I got some alcohol because like I ran out, and it's just important to always have alcohol, you know, like I need to have alcohol. I got sometimes, this is Playtex, you know, it works for me. I don't have any problems with it. I use this, I use Tampax sometimes, you know. So yeah, I actually have a bigger box of this currently. I'm not fully out as yet, so I just got these. I didn't see any box as big as this previous one that I have, so yeah, I got that. And then I also picked up any body mist. Now if you know me, but you know some of those scents, right? I've done a few perfume hauls over here. I've incorporated perfume hauls over on my vlog channel over time, so if you keep up with me you would see that. But you see, for mist now, mist is like a nighttime, it's like literally a part of my, what would you say, like my daily routine, my nighttime shower routine. I love using a mist after I shower. It just makes me feel like super good. I love smelling good. I actually got this Bath and Body Works mist. This is the Twisted Peppermint. I've never had this one. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it's literally like, you know, like the peppermint candy, you know, like the candy canes in Christmas time. Oh, this smells good. It's fresh. It's fresh. Oh, I like this. Pricing is on the front. It was actually 1,500 Jamaican dollars. Oh wow, I love it. It's definitely giving fall. It's giving Christmas is coming. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. So yeah, that's everything that I got. I didn't actually pick this up when I went out today, but I was supposed to get the black ones to this and I totally forgot. But I always have these mints here because since we're on hygiene, it's good that we talk about these stuff, you know. And this comes in with oral health. You know, this is some Fitzroy menthol and eucalyptus mints. So I love having these. This helps with, you know, just your breath staying fresh, you know, after you brush your teeth, you use a mouthwash and all that stuff, you kind of want to keep fresh breath. So this is just another kind of mint that I am recommending. You could have other mints if you want, you know, you could get gum or whatever. I use these, I always have these, try my best to have them at least. So remember, I didn't get any lotion or anything like that when we were shopping because I already have quite a bit at home and I have different options that I work with. Right now I use this one a lot, and this is the Jergens Skin Smoothie, cucumber and melon. It says a refreshing drink for your skin. It's a scented body lotion. I really like the scent of this. It's very calming and nice. I'll use this a lot now. This is what I've been using a lot. If I want to switch up the scent with my Jergens, then I'll use this one, and this is the Ultra Healing, which is really good. I've been using this for years. From I was a child, my mother been using Jergens on me. I love it. And if it's not Jergens, then sometimes, you know, we'll use Vaseline, and it's also really good. This is the Soothing Hydration with Triple Hydration Complex. This is the Intensive Care Non-Greasy Vaseline formula. So I have all of these that I use, and depends on how I'm feeling in that particular moment, I'll use whichever one I please. It's good to have options, right? So say you want a little bit of oil, that, like, you know, body oil, a little bit more of an intense moisture. I have this body oil here that I use, and this is the Cocoa Body Oil, Sweet Seductive. This is good for that. Or I can go in with my body butter. So I use this body butter not every day because if it's really, really hot, I try not to overdo it with a ton of different moisturizers. I'll just stick to one thing. But like, this is so good. It makes your skin feel so good. This is the Coffee Swirl Whipped Body Butter. It says 100% pure, vegan, cruelty free, and handmade. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's definitely that coffee-like feeling. So if you don't like that, then maybe you won't like it. You won't like the scent of it. But the formula, extremely moisturizing. So those are just some of the, you know, these are just some of the body moisturizers that I use. Yeah, so let's jump to the next section of this video. Literally, it's morning time. It's the next morning after I filmed that haul, and I'm starting off by just brushing my teeth with my Sensodyne toothpaste there that I showed you. As I said, this is my go-to. I'm not switching for a very long time. And then after that, I just follow up with my Listerine. Now, the only thing with this is a little bit harsher than the Sensodyne, but as I say, I felt safe using this because my dentists always use this after, like, to just let me wash out my mouth after cleaning my teeth, so I just stick with it, you know. So I actually needed to nair, and so I'm just using whatever is left in that bottle to nair today, and I let it sit for 10 minutes before I remove it. I use a rag, just a regular light rag or washcloth. It's a separate one from the one I use to actually shower, okay guys? So please bear that in mind. And then I pretty much, after I let it sit for 10 minutes and I remove it, you know, then I move on to just cleansing my body with my body wash. And let me tell you, this smells so amazing. I mean, the name speaks for itself. Pomegranate. It's so nice. I love it. So I let that, you know, get really nice and foamy, and I just apply that all over my body, you know, scrub, feeling so good. I smell so good. Oh, and my skin is super smooth because as you saw, I just nared, and I just take my time and, you know, wash my rag out, and then now I pretty much move on to cleansing my face. So yeah, I know you peeped that I didn't show you the product I'm using because, as I said before, I'm going to be giving you guys a very, very, very detailed updated skincare routine. I'm so excited for that. I can't wait to show you guys. Stay tuned. Make sure your post notification bells are on, and look at my skin. It's glowing. I love it. So after I get dried and all of that, I applied my spray deodorant, and then I pretty much move on with the rest of my skincare, as in my facial skincare, which, as I say, I'm not going to really elaborate on the details of that right now, but I pretty much just moved on to moisturizing right here. And then after I was done with everything, I didn't like film anything else as it regards to, you know, my facial skincare right here. But yeah, I pretty much changed into my little, you know, home outfit of the day because I really didn't go anywhere. And I applied my lip mask here, and then I moved on to moisturizing my body. And as I told you guys before, this is the lotion I've been using. So I just apply that all over, and my skin feels like butter. I love it. Love, and love when I nair my tattoos pop more. I love it. So the final portion, well, almost the final portion, I just take my twisted peppermint. Oh guys, with this body mist, it's tingly. It feels like mint on your skin if you apply it directly to your skin. So if you don't want to feel that sensation, then just apply it to your clothes, okay? Because you're gonna feel tingly after you spray it on. So I pretty much just moved on to damping my hair and just, you know, just grooming my hair for the day. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my little hygiene haul / routine / shower routine. You know, I hope you guys found this informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to drop your thoughts down below, and stay tuned because I have lots more videos coming up for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.